Hi guys, I'm doing a surprise night vlog because I might be busy tomorrow evening. So yeah, so our first stop is the Independent Palace or Independence Palace. So behind me are motorcycles. I don't know why they are there. So yeah, and there are a lot of Vietnamese outside taking photos of the palace. So this is the situation outside of the Independence Palace, guys. Like a lot of Vietnamese. So let's have a closer look of the palace right over there. And this is the Independence Palace, guys. Look, some of its parts are ongoing renovation. Like there are a lot of materials there, or probably they are building something there for an upcoming program. This is the situation outside of the Independence Palace, guys. I think it's closed already because it's already 9. Let me check. It's 9:31 already in the evening. So yeah, it's closed. So now let's go to our next stop. But before that, let's try to figure out how we cross again the road. Because look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. So many cars and motorcycles and all.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, I guess we have now reached our next stop, which is the Notre Dame Cathedral. But this is the back portion. I'll show you guys. So this is the back portion of the Notre Dame Cathedral here in Saigon. But unfortunately, the renovation is ongoing. So yeah, like we could not see the Notre Dame itself because it's undergoing a repair. The cathedral, guys, is this amazing building. Look at that. So Lotte, I think it's the same with the Lotte in Korea. So I can already see the guys, the hop on hop off bus. So we will definitely try that one. And yeah. So these are some of the pictures of the Notre Dame Cathedral here in Saigon. Like their church is really very amazing. Okay, let's go. There you go, guys. That's the Notre Dame Cathedral. But unfortunately, it's full of scaffoldings. Look at that. So the renovation is ongoing, unfortunately. So nakiuso po siya, guys, just like the Notre Dame Cathedral in France. So mura siya, wala siya nasunog, but the repair is ongoing. So this is, I think, the side portion, side pala to, not the back. So we will go to the front portion, guys. So this one is another place for you to hang out. There are a lot of coffee shops here. Let's go. You can also see many foreigners and locals here roaming around, chilling, doing their thing. And then they also have Highlands coffee. So Vietnamese locals are also visiting here. So those Vietnamese are from other parts of Vietnam. So nag-picnic na sila dito, guys. Look, they just placed a mat and then chill. Look.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. Beside the cathedral is the post office, Saigon post office, something like that. But unfortunately, it's already 9:43 in the evening, so we cannot get inside. But since the fence is just like rails only, we can at least have a sneak peek of what's inside. This is the Saigon Central Post Office, something like that. We cannot come any closer, guys, because there is a rope over there. So diri lang na si Kuya dira. So you can visit this during the night, daytime. And look, it's a very good building, guys, and I think this is very much inspired by the French. Check this out, guys. There's a never-ending flow of cars and motorcycles here. Look, and a lot of locals are here, guys, so they want to hang out here. So the sausage that the lady was selling is so good. And many locals are there, like chilling, having the great time of their lives. Let's go. So this is the front of Notre Dame Cathedral, guys. And then they are doing a prayer here. I'm not sure if this is a Catholic prayer, but feeling na ako ka nagluhod man siya. And look, check this out. Many locals are chilling here. Look.
A few moments later.
And hello, guys, we're now on our next stop. Time check, it's already 10:42, but I'm still here walking. That one is Saigon Opera House, and if you would like to ride something like this, the city tour, city sightseeing tour, it starts here in Saigon Opera House. You just have to look for the starting point, and I guess it's there. You start from there, guys. Okay, so it's very busy here. It's already 10:43, but it's still very busy, so probably because it's a Saturday and the kids are out, guys. So there are different buses, the one like that, and yeah, many designs. But let's try to go there, guys, and check. So that, I think, is the start of the hop on hop off bus. And check this out, guys, a very nice hotel, and that one over there is a very nicely decorated street, so we will try to visit that one. And then here we have a lot of motorcycles. Check this out, guys. Diba? Bongga. And then here we still have a lot of locals, Vietnamese. Look.
One eternity later.
Check this out, guys. This park over here is very amazing. Like, it has a lot of people. Amazing. Grabe. It's still 11. It's already 11, I mean. But the people here are still alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic, guys. So I saw in the map that the cafe apartment is very near. So let's go there. Now let's go to the cafe apartment. But before that, take a look at this, guys. Like, so many people here. Look, and then they are flying kites. Nice king of car. Oh. Cheap. They have taxi also. Look. And I guess nakikita ko na ang cafe apartment, guys. So they are flying kites, guys. And it's good because it's very windy today. Look at that. And check this out, guys. The cafe apartment is here. But before that, is dala sa daliling mga cute diri, mga baby face. Ta-da! Look. That's the cafe apartment, guys. And there are so many people here. Like, oh my gosh. Even the kids, they're still here, and it's already 11. Cute kids sila, oh. They're there. Hi! Hi! I'm good! Guys, finally, We are here in front of the apartment cafe, but unfortunately, some of them are closed already. So we will go back there when we have time. In the meantime, check this out. This park is still full of people. I don't know what's the name of this park, but it has a lot of people in it. And I already know the name of this promenade. It's Moyen Kwe. So this is Moyen Kwe, guys. Like, it's a lot of people here. There's a lot of people like that. So I guess it's time to go home, go back home. So I guess this is the end of my vlog, and I will be visiting this promenade again tomorrow or the next day. Bye!